नमस्कार मंडळी, कसे आहात? श्री स्वामी समर्थ. बोर्ड पाहताय ना, वेलकम टू सायन्स एक्झिबिशन. तर आज आपण आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहणार आहोत सायन्स एक्झिबिशन. तर कुठे? तर आपण आज आलो आहे दादाच्या स्कूलमध्ये. हे आहे दादाचं स्कूल. एंटर गेटच्या आतमध्ये केल्या पाहू शकता या ठिकाणी सायन्स एक्झिबिशन. खूप सुंदर प्रकारे सगळेच विषय घेऊन खूप छान अशी ही रांगोळी काढलेली आहे. रांगोळी कशी वाटली नक्कीच सांगाल बरं का. लहान लहान मुलांनी खूप सुंदर असे प्रोजेक्ट केलेले आहे. त्याचं कौतुक सोहळा तर झालाच पाहिजे ना. त्यासाठी खूप जणांना बोलवलेलं आहे या ठिकाणी. तर आपण सुद्धा जाऊया आणि काय प्रदर्शन आहे ते नक्कीच पाहूया. चला, आपल्या दादूनी सुद्धा कोणतं केलेलं आहे हे तुम्हाला दाखवणार आहे.
This is AI based robot. If we show our finger 1, it will move forward. If we show our finger 2, it will move backwards, and on 3 it will stop. If we tilt our hand to right, it will turn right and left, and for left it will turn right. It uses AI to understand the complex system of our hand movements, and it can be used in medical fields and rescue systems. Thank you.
I am going to explain. First, my name The focus is on purifying air polluted by the industrial smoke and the vehicle emission by the process called ionization. This system works by trapping and attracting carbon particles, and we can use the carbon collect as a ink, and we can use this in industrial based areas in real life also. Thank you so much.
My name is Sai Pawar and my name is Samiksha Davde. We are from class 7. Our model name is Green Energy. There are many types of renewable energies such as solar energy, wind energy, hydrochloric energy. But we are showing here the solar energy. So solar energy is the radiant light and heat captured from the sun and converted into usable powers like electricity and heat. So this is an electric car charger. We get charged from the solar, and this is a solar, and this is a solar light. This is a solar street light. This is a solar. Thank you. I'm Sejal. Today we are going to present our science project which is based on green energy. Green energy is a clean energy that does not harm the environment, stop global warming, and we can use this energy again and again. We have explained our project with windmill and street light. Solar panels are used on houses, street light and solar tree. It works using sunlight during the day and absorbs the sunlight and convert it into electric energy. This is windmill. This works using wind energy. When wind blows, these blades rotate and generate electricity. We can use this in lights and for nearby areas for generating electricity. Can you start? Good evening. I am Avni. I am Nitisha. And I am Hansika. Our project demonstrates how electrical energy can be generated from waste. Organic waste such as agricultural waste and kitchen waste are put in an airtight biofuel tank called a digester. In the absence of oxygen, gas produce bacteria break down the waste which mainly contains methane, and the leftover slurry is used as an organic fertilizer reducing the carbon compound. Now my friend Nitisha will proceed further. Biogas is burned and produces heat energy which is used in steam generator to convert water into high pressure steam. The steam rotates the turbine fan. The turbine fan is connected to a generator which converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy. This energy is used to run the turbine fan. Now, this project helps in proper waste management and reduce the amount of waste dumped in landfills. It reduces the renewable energy reduce dependence on fossil fuels, itself reducing pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. The leftover slurry is used as a organic fertilizer. We
which improves soil quality. So this project will demonstrate an eco-friendly, sustainable, renewable way of generating electricity.
Thank you.
My name is Ananda Vajijay. I am going to speak how to use escalator. Escalator is stand in a straight line and hold handrail. Two wings step and face forward. Do not run, play or sit on the accelerator.
From class 15. Today I make microscope. I show you how my microscope works. So see from here. You see this watery part will zoom. Right? Microscope help us to see the objects that we cannot see from our naked eyes. Naked eyes means our eyes, human eyes. So scientists also use this microscope for making medicines, for research and for biology. I will tell you how I make this microscope. This all base will make with cardboard. First I will cut the all base with cardboard, and afterwards I put the convex lenses with the bottle cap and afterwards main thing is put switch, battery and the light. And afterwards I come here, so I put this glass plate and the leaf and pour the water on the glass and the leaf. Thank you.
Tea, vinegar, lemon juice, baking soda, Eno, and some food color and Colgate.
It will on, then you see this all zoom. You see this water part zoom like that will.
Good evening, my name is
Any doubt?
I am grade from 5th A. My project name is Wind.
Thank you for
Windmill. Windmill are used to wind energy.
Ma'am, my name is Raj Lakshmi Ashutosh Ahir. I am from standard 5th A. My project name is Model of Human Lungs. This is the human lungs. They are in pure. They are located in the rib cage. They inhale oxygen. In return, they exhale carbon dioxide. Lungs are spongy structures. Their color is pinkish gray. We should take balanced diet to keep our lungs healthy because lungs capacity decline with age. Thank you.
I joined this tribe because I want to show that how industry is
Water purification. Good evening, ma'am. My name is Atagopal Surana from class 5B. I explain you to what is water purification. Water purification is the process of cleaning water. It removes dirt and germs from water. We can using purified water is carbon filter, sanitary filter and mineral filter. Purified water is safe to drink. When water passes through this material to get purified, larger particles are trapped by mineral filter. Thank you.
Gardens and Earth, Venus and Mercury are also called as the inner planets. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. It is the largest planet in the solar system. It is made up of gases.
Teachers and all my dear friends. This is our project. Our project name is Smart City. In our project,